Necker pleats are caused by dies that are not aligned to the RAM. And when we talk about alignment, it's important to talk about both squareness and concentricity. So because the tool pack has its own center line, when it is not on the same center line as the RAM, what will end up happening is that the metal ironing is not balanced. And we see here in these detailed views that the top detail has less metal than the bottom detail. And so this results in top wall variation, which in essence is a wall thickness variation at the top of the can. Now, Sencon is a well-known name in our industry, and they make a great line of reliable and durable products for can inspection. And in this video, we'll be looking at their fully automated Master Series front end gauge. Now, this gauge is capable of measuring dome depth, trim can height, as well as can wall thickness. And the can wall thickness, it's capable of measuring at 12 different heights. And the gauge can be programmed to any customer specifications that is required. For the purposes of this video, what we'll be doing is looking only at how this gauge measures wall thickness. For other information about Sencon, we'll put more details into the description of this YouTube video. But as you can see here, the probe comes down and measures the top wall thickness at various radial locations around the can. And if there are significant differences, it means that there is top wall variation. And where this causes problems is in the necker. So when looking at the necker process, we'll look at a section view of one of the necker stages. So this here is the necking die. Here we have the knockout, and of course the top of the can. And we'll quickly show an animation of the necking process. So just like so many other processes in can manufacturing, necking requires balance. And so when we have top wall variation, as we see here, you have a necking process that is out of balance, meaning that one side of the can has more metal and the other has less metal. And so the side of the can that has less metal, this is where we have the potential to see necker pleats. So if we walk this all the way back to the beginning, this all started with poor bodymaker alignment, which led to top wall variation and eventually necker